In this lesson, we're going to discuss the different types of light that you can have in Roblox and how to use them. Here I have 3 different sections, and each one of those has a light bulb in it. My light bulb is just a basic rectangular part, and just make sure they're anchored. So now let's go to the first light. Light number 1. I'm gonna click the plus sign and I'm gonna search for light. You can see there's 3 different types of lights in Roblox. First one is the point light. As soon as I click on the point light, you can see my part has been lit up. And if you click on the point light, you can adjust the properties of the point light. For example, the brightness, the color, now it should be red, but I need to turn on the brightness. There it is. Enable, disable. The range, how far the light is gonna go. And the shadow. If I make the range higher, you can see that the light goes through the wall. If I turn on the shadow, you can see the wall casts a shadow, so it blocks the light. So that's the point light. Next, we're gonna go to light number 2, and we're gonna add, let's see what's next, the spotlight. So again, if you click on the spotlight, right now we don't see anything yet, right? So click on the spotlight and go to the properties. First thing you want to do is you want to increase the brightness. And you can see that my spotlight is not facing in the direction that I want. It's probably facing the wall, and that's why we don't see a lot of light coming out. So let me change the facing of the light. So right now it's front. If I make it to the bottom, you can see now it's facing the bottom. So there's your spotlight. You can change the angle. The brightness, same as the point light. You can make it bright or dim. Same thing with the color. Yellow. White. And what else we have? Enable, disable, same as the spotlight. Facing we did already, and the range. Again, with the shadow. Alright, so that's the spotlight. And I believe we mentioned the angle, right? And you can see the angle over here. So if you make it 90, that's your angle of the light. Now, lastly, let's go to light number 3. And we're gonna add the surface light. Again, click on the surface light, and you may need to change, but first let me turn on the brightness, and looks like it's facing the wall as well, so I'm gonna change it to bottom, and there it is. And basically the surface light is very similar to the spotlight. You have the angle, the brightness, the color, enable, face, range, shadow. Let me turn the spotlight a little brighter so we can see the difference. So now if you look at it, I think the surface light kind of spread out the light more than the spotlight. The spotlight kind of shooting the light down more. Anyway, so those are the 3 different types of lights. Let's play to test. And there we have it. This is the point light. It spreads out the light all over the place. The SpotLight, it shoots the light downward, and the SurfaceLight also shoots the light downward. Basically, it only lights up a single surface of the block.